Okay, children. Now we're going to go on to grammar with nouns. Who can tell me what a noun is? That's right. It's a word naming people or person, a place or a thing. But nouns are words naming people, places and things. Now, we've got a jumbled up sentence here. Had, ball, park, the, playing, Sam, fun, at. Now we've got to re-jumble that so it makes sense, a proper sentence. So, first of all, who can tell me what we start a sentence with? We start a sentence with a capital letter. So which one of these words has the capital letter? That's right. Sam. Okay. Now let's have a look. What do you think would be next? Sam at, Sam fun, Sam playing, Sam the, Sam park, Sam ball, or Sam had? Okay. I hope everyone's got this. The next word will be had. Sam had. Sam had what? Sam had what? Sam had ball, Sam had park, Sam had the, Sam had playing, Sam had fun, Sam had at. Yeah, you're right. Sam had fun. What will be next? Sam had fun doing what? Sam had fun ball, Sam had fun park, Sam had fun the, Sam had fun playing, or Sam had fun at? Could be. It could be one of two ways. I'm going to go with playing. Sam had fun playing. What was he playing? Playing ball, playing park, playing the, or playing at? Yeah, playing ball. Sam had fun playing ball, park. Sam had fun playing ball, the, or Sam had fun playing ball at? Correct. It's at. And Sam had fun playing ball at park or at the? You're right, at the. And the only one left is park. And what do we finish the sentence with, children? Always finish at the end with a full stop, an exclamation mark, a question mark, okay? Now, we've got one more sentence here. And what do you think it's going to start with, kids? It's jumbled up again, we've got to reorganize it. That's right, it starts with a capital letter. Jane. Jane. Jane what? Jane pink, Jane painted, Jane the, Jane green, Jane vase, or Jane and? Which one makes sense to you, children? Yeah, I think the only one you can really use here is painted. Jane painted. Jane painted what? Jane painted pink, Jane painted the, Jane painted green, Jane painted vase, or Jane painted and? Yep, you're all correct. The. Now what do we have? Jane painted the pink, Jane painted the green, Jane painted the vase, or Jane painted the and? I know the one that I would choose. I hope you choose that too. Jane painted the vase. Jane painted the vase what? Jane painted the vase pink. Jane painted the vase green. Jane painted the vase and. You could use either of the words here. You could either use pink or green. What should we use, children? We'll start with pink, shall we? Jane painted the vase pink. Jane painted the vase pink green, or Jane painted the vase pink and. Yep, you know that. Jane painted the vase pink and. And the last one we have is green. So, Jane painted the vase pink and green. And what do we always finish a sentence with, children? That is correct. A full stop, an exclamation mark, or a question mark. But it's not a question, it's not an exclamation, so it's a full stop on this one. Okay, kids. Out of these two sentences, remembering I said that a noun was a word naming a person, a place, or a thing. So what do we think the nouns are in the first sentence? Do we have any people in the sentence? I think we do, don't we? We have Sam. He's a person, so he is a noun. Do we have any more people? No. Do we have any places? Yep, we do, don't we? We have the park. The park's a place, so that is a noun also. And do we have any more places? No, no more places. Do we have things? We do have one thing there, don't we? That's the ball. So we have three nouns in that first sentence: Sam, ball, and park. A person, a place, and a thing. Okay, how about the next sentence? Do we have any people in this sentence, children? We do, don't we? We have Jane. Jane is a person. Is there any other people in there? No. Do we have a place in this sentence? No, we do not have a place. But do we have a thing? We do. A vase is a thing. Okay. Okay, children. Now, if you can remember from here, I'm going to go over to the next board, and we have a table that you need to place the nouns in the correct place, okay? So, over here to the table. We have the nouns for a person, a place, or a thing. If you could put from here, what ones do you think would be with a person? Okay. The people, we have a Sam and Jane. And then we have, for a place, we only have one place, which is the park. And we have two things. Two things. We have a vase and a ball. Okay. Now, we've got a couple more sentences for you to do here in practice. Did the girl catch the ball at the game? Now, I've got in brackets the number 3 at the end of here, and that is telling you that in this sentence there is 3 nouns. So I'd like you to circle all the nouns and then place them in the correct place on the table. So there's 3 nouns in the first one, and the second sentence there is 2 nouns. The sentence is, the man ran fast to catch the dog. Two nouns in that sentence. Please circle the nouns and then write the nouns down in the correct place. Okay. When you've completed the work I've set, please take a photo of it and pass it back onto Class Dojo on the class story so I can mark your work. Okay, children. Just one more thing to do. We will take you to your Unit 3 workbook, to page 41, which is 7.2. Now, what I want you to do is read the sentences, circle the number of nouns that are in the sentence. As you see, 3 in that one, 2 in that one, 3, 3, 2. So the baker made a cake at his shop. The baker, that's a person. So it's gone down into the person line. A cake. That cake's a thing. So it's gone into the thing line. And a shop is a place. So it's gone into the place line. If you could do the following for questions 2, 3, 4 and 5, and circle the nouns and then put them in the correct line on the table. And if you have time, you can make up a couple of sentences with the words you've used, okay? And then for homework, we're going to turn the page to page 7.3. Unit 7.3, page 43. Now the words shown below contain the O sound, road, toes, stroke, and the O sound, hot, top, etc. Please have your child read the words and count how many times the spelling occurs in the boxes below. If you have time, also ask your child to use each word in a complete sentence. So, for the O-E sounds, for hope, you've got to find out how many are down here. If you want, you can write them out individually, or if you want, you can just count them and put the number in. And then do the same for the O-E spelling of the O word, as in ho. Either put them all down, or just mark down the number. And also, next for the O-A spelling of the word O as in boat. And finally, for the O sound as in hop. You can put all the words down, or you can just put the number there. Okay. Thank you very much, children. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. And I will see you tomorrow. Please send back all the work you've done by photographing it and sending it back to Class Dojo on my class story, okay? Thank you, children, and goodbye for today.